Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's a cold, icky day here in Chicago, but I am so happy to be here with you for another episode of Pouring Coast to Coast. So today's challenge was a no challenge, which was great because I've still been exploring a lot with combining fluid art with mixed media. So that's what I'm working on today. And yeah, let's just get down to the canvas. And here's your daily reminder that creativity takes courage. So find your courage, go make some art. So I have been seeing on Instagram people doing these textural pieces of art that use this weather stripping and then they put some sort of joint compound or something like that over top of it to make a really simple piece of art, which I like. But I was thinking it could be really fun to segment off a canvas and do different pours or different types of art in each segment. So that's where this inspiration came from today. So I'm just using an old canvas, obviously repurposed, to do this first sample on. And here I had put down a layer of just plain acrylic paint, let it dry. I wasn't super happy with the colors, so I decided to go back in with other colors that had a little more shimmer in them and brighten it up just a little bit.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything. Golden, I follow only golden, golden, golden things. Golden, I follow only golden, golden, golden things. Feeling caged, sunset, lights are out. I'm fading, angels on my name. Move on, just move on. Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. Not too long ago, I still felt the joy. Not a pressure on my chest. Try to stand as way to control it. I don't wanna live a life like this. Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head. Try to breathe, 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 try to breathe. Falling so deep, deep below. Not alright. You get no sleep, time's too slow. Can't keep fighting. Used to be free, but now I'm just losing my mind. It's all in my head, it's all in my head.
Putting this tape down was definitely a tedious task. And the reason why I'm only doing the first three lines of stripping, weather stripping here, is because the area where I did the pour in was not quite dry. It was dry to the touch, but I didn't trust that it was dry enough to put paint down. But I wanted to get this video edited and out for you guys, so I decided to just go ahead and do the first three segments so you could see the option and what it looks like, and then I'll finish the other area after it's completely dry for a few days. Here's the finished piece. Well, mostly finished. I still need to do these guys once this completely dries, but I think this is really, really fun. Love how that gilding turned out. Love the textural components. I think this poured piece will be stunning, especially when it's framed by the gilding. Yeah, I think this was a fun piece. I will definitely be doing more of these. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful day.